Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon marinade. Start by patting salmon dry, then whisk 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tsp lemon juice, and 1 clove minced garlic. Marinate 15 to 30 minutes for quick flavor or up to 2 hours for deeper taste. Keep it simple, balance salty, sweet, and acid, and always discard used marinade after salmon sits. I like to keep ingredients simple and easy to measure. Measure for 1 to 1.5 pounds of salmon, so proportions stay right. Whisk 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tsp lemon juice, and 1 clove minced garlic. Taste the mix and adjust with a pinch of salt or dash of pepper. This gives a balanced savory, sweet, and bright flavor that cooks well. Please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation: I enjoyed The Simple Path to Wealth as a thoughtful personal finance book that might free up funds for better food and kitchen gear, and it pairs surprisingly well with cooking goals. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Marinating time changes the outcome, so choose based on schedule, 15 to 30 minutes for quick meals or up to 2 hours for deeper flavor. Always bring salmon to room temperature for about 10 minutes before cooking. For stovetop, cook on medium-high heat about 3 to 4 minutes per side until nicely seared. For oven, bake at 400 degrees F for 10 to 12 minutes. Let fish rest a few minutes before serving for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.